Hello, Noma. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
So, Noma, you have completed the homework. Any doubt?
Sir, example number 29.
Example 29. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so in example 29, we need to prove cos square x plus cos square x plus 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. So डायरेक्टली हमारे पास कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं आ रहा है, अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can apply the formula 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, so what is 1 plus cos 2x?
सर cos 2x का क्यों लगेगा फॉर्मूला? यहाँ पे तो 2 है ही नहीं.
We have this formula 1 plus cos 2x. This is equal to 2 cos square x. Okay. So यहाँ square है, directly कोई formula put नहीं हो रहा. Okay, so what we can do? We can apply this formula 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. So cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this will become 1 plus cos x by 2. Now plus this is the angle, so again we can say 1 plus 2 into 1 plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 by 2. Okay, plus 1 plus cos 2x minus 1 plus cos, this is the angle, so 2 into x minus pi by 3. 3 by. Okay. Now we can take the LCM. So LCM is 2. We can write this 2 over here. Now here we have 1 plus cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 plus 1 plus cos 2 into x minus pi by 3. Okay. Now what we can do, we can add this one, and after this, so this will get 1 by 2, and here we will get 3 plus cos 2x plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 plus cos 2 into x minus pi by 3. Is equal to this one. This is cos A plus cos B. Can we apply the formula cos A plus cos B?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Numa, just put the formula cos A plus cos B over here, and after this we will be able to complete the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please do this right now.
सर फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर लिया बट कुछ कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा.
Okay, नो फाइनली क्या आ गया आपके पास आंसर?
1/2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 cos x into cos pi by 3.
प्लस 2 cos 2x cos 2 pi by 3 नहीं
No sir, cos x है.
by 2 plus 3 plus cos 2x. Okay, what's the formula? 2 cos a plus b by 2. Okay, 2 cos a plus b by 2. So a plus b by 2 means this is 2x plus 2x. This become 4x. Okay, this pi will cancel out. We have this 2x plus हम ये bracket open करेंगे 2 pi by 3. And similarly here we have 2x minus 2 pi by 3. So this will cancel out. 2x plus 2x become 4x by 2. This clear?
Yes sir, मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया.
Okay, then cos a minus b. A minus b means this will cancel out, and this will give you 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. That means 2 pi by 3. Okay, now what you need to do, put this value, solve this cos 2 pi by 3, put this value, and hopefully then you will be able to complete it.
सर इसके बाद क्या करना है?
Noma, इसकी value put की cos 2 pi by 3. Noma, ये value put की आपने cos 2 pi
No
by 3.
sir.
Put कीजिए value.
सर 2 पाई बाय 3 तो 120 होता है ना?
जी 120 होता है.
सर अब बता दीजिए सर, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
ये तो बेसिक हो जाना चाहिए आपका. अगर ये तो cos 120 सॉल्व कीजिए. तो 120 कैसे करते हैं? हमने स्टार्टिंग में किया था. राइट दिस एज 90 into 1 plus 30. Okay, this is all. So cos will change into
Sin
sin 30. And this line, which quadrant?
first.
First 120.
So 120. So 120 is in second quadrant.
In second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is what? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Minus. This means minus half. So in place of this value, please put minus half, cancel this, and solve this.
Okay sir. Done.
Done. Okay, Noma, very good. Noma, any other doubt?
No sir.
Okay. Miscellaneous. Okay, complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then Mama, अब हमारे सिर्फ two topics रह गए. First is graph, and second we will do the application of this. So graph करते हैं. Graph of trigonometry functions. So first is y is equal to sin x. We will draw the graph of this. Okay, so this is 0. This is 90, 180, 0, this pi by 2, 180, and this is 3 pi by 2, this 2 pi. This is minus pi by 2, this minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Okay, so the value at 0 is 0, so the value pi by 2 is 1. Like this, pi 0. So this is a graph of y is equal to sin x. Always remember this x-axis will give you the domain, and the y-axis, this is minus 1, y-axis will give you the range. This we have already discussed in relation and functions. So exam में आ सकता है कि draw the graph of this, find the domain and the range. So domain क्या होता है? For which sin x will give you the value of x, for which the sin x will give you the real numbers. So in place of x आप क्या put कर सकते हैं? Can we say complete R?
अब कैसे?
अगर आप x एक्सिस चेक करेंगे तो कंप्लीट x एक्सिस में आपका ग्राफ है. देखिए अभी हमने सिर्फ 2 पाई तक किया है, बट ये ग्राफ एक्सटेंड हो जाएगा अपने इनफिनिट. सो कंप्लीट x एक्सिस में आपका ग्राफ है एट एवरी पॉइंट.
यस सर.
ओके, एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ x आप कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कीजिए, यू विल गेट एनी वैल्यू. कुछ तो वैल्यू आपको मिल ही जाती है. दैट्स व्हाई द डोमेन इज R. कोई भी आप कंप्लीट x एक्सिस में से कोई भी पॉइंट पुट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. रेंज क्या होता है? व्हाट इज रेंज? हमने किया रिलेशन में भी. सो रेंज क्या होता है? जब आप डोमेन पुट कर रहे हैं, आप इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स पुट कर रहे हैं, तो आपके साइन की जो वैल्यू है वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक है, दैट इज द रेंज. सो अगर हम एंड रेंज हमें देते हैं ऑन वाई एक्सिस. सो अगर हम वाई एक्सिस को एनालाइज करते हैं, देन ये जो हमारा ग्राफ है दैट इज फ्रॉम -1 to 1, है ना.
यस
इस
सर.
ग्राफ को देखिए, उसके बियॉन्ड नहीं है. सो रेंज क्या हो जाएगा? -1 to 1, क्लोज इट टू. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please draw this graph.
Recording in progress.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही।
Okay, we just give.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Ranjini, no, my voice is audible.
यस सर।
Okay, Mama, note कर लिया था.
यस सर।
Okay, very good. Now the second one is cos function. Okay, y is equal to cos x. Second is y is equal to cos x. So this is y is equal to cos x. So y is equal to cos x का ग्राफ कैसे होगा? This. So for cos, at 0 degree the value is 1. For pi by 2 the value is 0. And for pi we have -1. 3 pi by 2 this. 2 pi again 1. So again we have this. So there's a graph of cos x. So Rama, can you tell me what's the domain of this?
रियल नंबर्स।
Domain is very good. And what's the range?
1 to -1।
1 -1 to 1. Right. Please note on this.
डन।
Okay, Roman, just give me. Okay, so now the next is that one. This is y is equal to x. Okay, Roman, so for 10x, what's the value of 0 and 0?
0.
0. Okay. So the graph will be like this. At tan 0, the value is 0. For pi by 2, it is not defined. So it will go in this way. Similarly, for pi, the value is 0. So this will be drawn this way. Similarly, for minus pi, the value is 0. So this will be the graph of this. Okay. Now we decide the domain and the range. So what is the domain? Domain is equal to, if you will check the x-axis, then for pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, this is not defined. So domain is R except multiple of pi by 2. We can say 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, and belongs to any integer. Okay, no, अगर आप कोई भी integer यहाँ put करते हैं, you will always get a multiple of pi by 2, odd multiple of pi by 2. So हम इस value को ignore कर देंगे. For all the remaining values, you will get the graph for x. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me what is the range?
Infinite.
Very good. This is from minus infinite to infinite. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please put on this.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. First, late join किया आज?
सर मैं बाहर था तो यहाँ पर नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहे थे, अब आए तो अब ज्वाइन कर पाया मैं.
Okay. ठीक है, सर. Not an issue. So if हम graph करें trigonometric functions के, okay. So please note down this graph and put the domain and range.
Done.
Okay, good. Push, please note down this and confirm me.
सर एक बार डोमेन रेंज कैसे निकालते हैं दोबारा बता दोगे?
Push, what is the domain and range? Domain क्या होता है? The value of x for which this function will give you the real values. So in place of x आप क्या values put कर सकते हैं? अगर आप x axis check करते हैं, and for pi by 2, for pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, आपका जो tan होता है that is not defined. So हम कोई भी angle put कर सकते हैं except pi by 2 का multiple, okay? Odd multiple of pi by 2. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं? R minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, because 2n plus 1 will give you always the odd number. N belongs to any integer. Okay, Spush?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let's note on this. Push this one.
So 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Very good. We will start the next one. Push, homework
सर
हो
एक
गया
बार
था?
फर्स्ट और सेकंड, सर एक बार फर्स्ट और सेकंड के दिखा दो, मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूंगा.
Okay. Push first हमारा network break हो गया था. First यहाँ नहीं है, but you can see the recorded lectures. Okay. You can take a screenshot of the second one.
यस सर, ले लिया.
Okay. Okay, first the y is equal to sin x. Okay. So वो आपको previous notes में भी मिल जाएगा. Next is y is equal to x. Push, homework हो गया था?
यस सर, होमवर्क हो गया था.
Okay, good. Any doubt?
सर डाउट्स आए थे, बट जिसमें मैंने डाउट्स लिखे हैं वो वाली नोटबुक घर पर है, मैं बाहर हूँ तो उसके लिए अभी डाउट्स नहीं ले पाऊंगा.
Okay. This is 0, this is pi by 2. Okay, this is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. This is 2 pi. Okay, this is minus pi by 2. This is minus pi. This is minus 3 pi by 2. And this is minus 2 pi. Okay, now for in case of chord, this does not exist for 0. Okay, So what we will do, for 0 for multiple of pi, this will not exist. So we will draw like this. The first, what is the value of cot pi by 2?
Not defined.
Cot pi by 2, no, not correct. Again, check the value.
0.
0. Very good. Okay, so this is 0. That means for this one, this will be 0. And for 0, this is not defined. So the graph will be like this. Like this one. Like this. So for the domain, if we will check from the graph, then for 0 pi, for 0 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, this codex does not exist. That's why the domain is real number minus n pi. What is n? N is any integer. And Noma, can you tell me the range?
Plus infinity to minus infinity.
Very good. Minus infinite to plus infinite. Okay, so especially this x-axis will give you the domain. You have a पहले भी discuss किया relation functions में, and the y-axis will give you the range. So अगर हम check करते हैं, the graph is going towards minus infinite, and in the top plus infinite. That's why the range is from minus infinite to infinite. Okay, Spush?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, very good.
सर यहाँ पे डोमेन जो है 2n नहीं होगा, 2n plus 1.
Domain 2n plus 1. Complete बताएंगे नोमा? Domain क्या कह रहे हैं?
सर डोमेन जो है सर 2n plus 1 into pi by 2.
सिर्फ इतना?
नहीं सर, माइनस r.
R minus?
जी सर.
नोमा इसका मतलब कि आप pi by 2 वाली जो टर्म्स हैं, ऑड टर्म्स, उसको आप रिमूव कर रहे हैं, बट ऐसा तो नहीं है. pi by 2 के लिए तो एक्सिस्ट कर रहा है, इसके लिए एक्सिस्ट नहीं कर रहा, 0 के लिए. 0 pi 2 pi. If you will check the previous one, यहाँ pi by 2 के लिए एक्सिस्ट नहीं कर रहा था, इसलिए हमने कहा r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. But for this case, वो 0 pi 2 pi 3 pi के लिए एक्सिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है.
Okay, sir.
Let's put on this.
सर ग्राफ के बनाने को भी आता है.
वो में स्टैंडर्ड ग्राफ हो सकता है बनाने के लिए आ जाए, ठीक है, बट ये पता भी होने चाहिए क्योंकि नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर आपको एक इन्वर्स करना है चैप्टर, उसमें सेम यूज हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
Sir, done.
नोमा ये कंप्लीट हो गया.
1 minute.
Okay.
Done.
Next one. Next is y is equal to cosec x. Okay. Noma, please tell me what is the value of cosec pi by 2?
One.
Very good. This one. And what's the value of 0? Cosec 0?
0.
No. Again check.
Not defined.
Very good. Okay, so the next is for 0, this is not defined. Okay. So we will draw the line on 0, pi to pi. Like this. So for pi by 2, the value is 1. Okay. This is 1. And the graph will move like this. Like this. And also in this direction. Like for 3 pi by 2, this is -1. Like this. Like this. Similarly for this. This. So this is the graph for y is equal to cosec. Now we'll find the domain of this. If we take the x-axis, then the value does not exist for 0 pi. So domain is R except n pi, where n belongs to any integer. This is range. If you will take the y-axis, then this part is not a part of a graph. So R except this middle part, so we can say from -1 to 1 open interval. Okay, -1 or 1 is a part of a graph, and this portion is not a part of a graph. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Push, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note on this, confirm me, then we will start the next one.
Done.
This one.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, very good. Now the last graph is of y is equal to sec x. Okay, Noma, what's the value of sec 0?
1.
Very good. What's the value of sec pi by 2?
Not defined.
Very good. Okay. So this is 3 pi by 2. So we will draw the line where this does not exist. So that is for pi by 2. Pi by 2, then 3 pi by 2. Zero. For 0, this value is 1. For pi by 2, this does not exist. For minus pi by 2, this does not exist. For pi, the value is -1. Graph it like this. Similarly, for minus pi, the value is -1. So this will be like this. Now, what is the domain? If we will check the x-axis, then this does not exist for multiple of pi by 2. So that means 2n plus 1, pi by 2. Now, what is the range? Range is complete R except again the same -1 to 1, this part. Okay. So please note this graph, and if you have a doubt, then please let me know.
Done.
Okay, no, very good. Push, please confirm once this is done.
So 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Okay, very good. Then please try the question. Find the value of find the value of 10 pi by 8. Please find this.
सर ये कैसे करना है सर इसमें क्या बस पाई की वैल्यू डालना है
बच्चे पाई की वैल्यू आप पुट करेंगे तो ये कितना आएगा 22.5.
22.5
ट्राई कीजिए, हम कर चुके हैं क्विज क्लासेस में.
सर तो फिर 22.5 ही वैल्यू नहीं हुई
इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है ना नोमा, जैसे 10 पावर बाय 4 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है 1,
Yes, sir.
है ना। सिमिलरली 1022.5 की वैल्यू भी फाइंड करनी है, तो क्या हमने लास्ट क्लास में।
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार दोबारा बता दो ये कैसे करना है।
Okay, now it's good. We have two methods for this. In this one, either you can find the value of cos pi by 8. हमारे पास ये फॉर्मूला होता है 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Either way, so we have this 1 plus cos pi by 4 is equal to 2 cos square pi by 8. Okay. Similarly, you can use this formula 1 minus cos pi by 4 is equal to 2 sine square pi by 8. Okay. Shift this 2 to the left side, you can find the value of cos pi by 8 sine pi by 8. Then finally you can use this formula. ठीक है, स्पर्शन नोमा याद आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
please
sir.
use this. And this one more method, tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So if you wish, you can use this method. Okay, please try this.
सर तो इसमें साइन और कॉस की वैल्यू अलग अलग फाइंड करनी होगी ना?
जी नोमा, आपको सेपरेटली फाइंड करनी है।
Done.
Okay, Noma, very good. What's the answer?
3 minus 2 root 2.
Final answer is
3 minus 2 root 2.
minus 2 root 2 is not correct. अभी चेक करते हैं. हाँ, स्पर्श हो गया कंप्लीट.
सर मैंने बस अभी कोस और साइन की वैल्यू निकाल रहा हूँ, वो साइन की
अच्छा,
वैल्यू
अच्छा.
निकाल रहा हूँ, कोस की निकाली है।
ठीक है, प्लीज फाइन कीजिए. And Noma, for this one, this will give you cos square pi by 8 is equal to 1 plus cos pi by 4 means 1 by 1 plus root by 2. So this is root 2 plus 1 by 2 root. Okay. And cos pi by 8, that will be equal to positive line. This line, the first quadrant, so under root 2 plus 1 by 2 root. Similarly, sin pi by 8, so इसमें हो जाएगा 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 2 under root. So this will give you under root 2 minus 1 by 2. With tan pi by 8, this is equal to sin by cos. Sin pi by 8 by cos pi by 8. So this will give you under root. Noma, यही आ रहा था sin and cos.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. By this is root 2 plus 1 by 2.
तो मेरा आंसर अब रूट 2 माइनस 1 आ रहा है.
Root 2 minus 1. Okay, that's the correct answer.
सर डन.
Okay, which was the answer?
सर मेरा आंसर आ रहा है अंडर रूट 2 minus 1 रूट 2 minus 1 अपॉन 2 minus 1.
Okay, तो फिर rationalize करना है इस पर. ठीक है? Good. Then please try this one. Prove that cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 sin 5x sin 5x by 2. Okay, please try.
सर यहाँ पे तो कोई फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं हो रहा.
No, I will give you the hint. इसको separate कीजिए. Separate this one and separate this one. Okay? ये हम कर चुके हैं. 2 cos A cos B कैसे separate होता है? Take the formulas. Yeah, there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please take the formulas and separate this. ठीक है? आपको hint मिल जाएगा. Question Una, this is completed. Or any doubt?
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
सर नहीं हो रहा।
नहीं हो रहा। Okay, स्पर्श हो गया कंप्लीट।
सर नहीं हो पा रहा।
Okay. अच्छा, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे आप पुराना प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, प्लीज चेक दिस। पहले मुझे बताइए व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला टू cos a cos b। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला cos?
सर cos a minus b plus cos a plus b.
Very good. Cos a plus b. So we will take the first one. And the first 2x is a। अच्छा, यहाँ 2 नहीं है फर्स्ट थिंग, हम क्या करेंगे 2 से
मल्टीप्लाई
मल्टीप्लाई
डिवाइड बाय 2।
ठीक है 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2 into this 2 into this is equal to 1/2। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा cos a minus b। cos a minus b means 2x minus x/2 plus cos a plus b। so a plus b means 2x plus x/2। सिमिलरली माइनस इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, कितना हो जाएगा। अगेन दिस इज a, दिस इज b, cos
सर
a
यहाँ
minus
पे ब्रैकेट क्यों लगाया सर?
plus give me a minute and plus cos 3x minus plus 9x by कहाँ नुमा?
सर माइनस के बाद।
नुमा इसलिए किया क्योंकि फिर नेगेटिव सबसे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा ना।
यस सर।
That is equal to 1/2 और सॉल्व दिस। so ये कितना हो जाएगा cos 3x/2, ये कितना हो जाएगा प्लस cos 5x/2। ठीक है, ब्रैकेट ओपन कर देते हैं माइनस cos कितना हो जाएगा 236 माइनस 3x/2। ये कितना हो जाएगा 236 15 cos 15x/2 नॉट प्लस माइनस। कितना हो गया था आप दोनों का? नोमा
सर 15 क्यों होगा सर? 12x/2 होगा ना?
क्यों 3x plus 9x/2 कितना हो जाएगा 236 6 plus 10 15।
यस सर यस सर।
ओके, कितना हो गया था नोमा इस पुश।
यस सर इतना हो गया।
ओके देन ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, cos minus theta is cos theta, this one will cancel out, finally आ गया cos a minus cos b, put the formula। ओके नोमा एंड इस
सर
पुश
एक बार दोबारा बता दो, आपने अभी क्या कहा?
इस पुश ये पार्ट कैंसिल हो जाएगा, this one and this one कैंसिल हो। cos minus theta क्या होता है माइनस cos theta,
यस सर cos थीटा।
ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा फिर
यस सर।
this one cos a minus cos b फॉर्मूला पुट कर सकते हैं। फाइनली आपके पास ये आ गया cos 5x/2 minus cos 15x/2। ठीक है, पुश एंड नोमा क्लियर।
यस सर। सर मैंने
Yes,
गलती से 15 की जगह 12 रख दिया था तो।
ओके ओके ओके, नाउ प्लीज अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला। अब आपका ये प्रूफ हो जाएगा। Question over. Confirm once this is done.
ये सर हो गया, बट सर बाहर 1/2 पे आ रहा है।
हाँ, यहाँ भी 2 आएगा ना, sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2
यस सर, वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा। ओके सर,
आंसर
हो गया।
स्पर्श हो गया कंप्लीट। स्पर्श
Sir, 1
this
second. Sir, 1 second.
okay.
Sir, sin minus theta क्या होता है?
Spurge, please let me know if you have any doubt in this.
Sir, sin minus theta क्या होता है?
And minus theta is minus sin theta.
सर मेरा एक माइनस साइन भी आ रहा है।
Sir, मेरा भी माइनस साइन आ रहा है फिर।
जी स्पर्श है नो।
सर फॉर्मूला में -2 से मल्टीप्लाई भी करना था ना, तो उसमें माइनस साइन भी आ रहा है।
फिर इसमें भी एक माइनस आएगा ना, sin a minus b में 5x minus 2 minus, तो यहाँ भी एक नेगेटिव होगा, वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा। You have this 1/2 minus 2 sin a plus b by 2. That means 20x by 2, that is 10x. Okay. And a minus b by 2. A minus b by 2 means 5 minus 15. So that will give minus 10x. Okay. Formula is minus 2 sin a plus b. So a plus b means 5x by 2 plus 15x by 2. Okay. Right. Sin a minus b by 2. 5x minus 2 by 2 minus 15x by 2 by 2. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 sine. Okay, this is 5 plus 15, 20, 20 by 2, 10, 10 by 2 is 5. Sine 5 minus 15 is minus 10 by 2 is minus 5. So this is minus 5x by 2. Now this negative, this will become positive. Sine minus theta x minus sine theta. So
Yes sir. Yes sir. Okay,
Uma,
sir.
सर
this-
यहाँ पे माइनस साइन हो जाएगा ना, तो फिर सर वो नेगेटिव मतलब वैसे वाला सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होगा।
कहाँ नो?
सर साइन माइनस थीटा जो है सर माइनस साइन होता है, तो फिर सर
ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी ना फिर?
यस सर, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है। ओके सर।
Okay. And push this clear.
Yes sir.
Okay. So shall we start next? ये बच्चे लास्ट टॉपिक रह गया है। रोमा इसका सप्लीमेंट्री पार्ट करने हैं हमें, ठीक? सिर्फ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन ही रिमूव हुए, so we need to do the application of sine and cosine formula. Application of sine and cosine. Sine and cosine formula. Okay. So this is. Just give me a minute. First, we have this formula: sine A by A is equal to sine B by B is equal to sine C by C, sine C by sine C. So what is this? We have a triangle. Here we have this angle A. Okay, this is B, and let this be C. So this is angle A. The side opposite to angle A we will take as small a. Side opposite to angle C we will take as small c. Side opposite to angle B we will take as small b. इतना clear हो गया? Question number.
Yes, sir.
So formula clear हो गया? Sin A means angle, small a means side. Sin A by A, sin B by B, sin C by C. Okay, Sparsh, this clear? Sparsh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
what
sir.
we will do, we will draw perpendicular from B here. Like this. Now, we'll do the proof of this. Let this I, this be H, and let this be D. So sin A in triangle, this one ABD, triangle ABD, this sin A. Sin A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? BD by what is hypotenuse? AB. Okay, so sin A, this is equal to BD is what? H, and what is AB? ABC. So we will get H is equal to C sin A. Any doubt in this question?
सर एक बार प्रूफ रिपीट कर दो, मेरा नेटवर्क चला गया था.
Okay. इस पर ये हमने फिगर ड्रॉ किया. We have drawn a perpendicular. This is H. तो अगर हम इस ट्रायंगल की बात करते हैं ABD, इसमें sin थीटा क्या होता है? What is sin theta?
सर P by H.
P by H. So what is perpendicular? H means hypotenuse. Okay. What is perpendicular H and what is hypotenuse AB?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sin A is equal to H by C. So we can say H is equal to C sin A.
Yes, sir.
Now in triangle, in triangle BDC, sin C is equal to sin C is what? Perpendicular. Okay. BD by hypotenuse BC. So you can say sin C is equal to, what is BD? H, and what is BC? A. So you can say H is equal to A sin C. Okay, Sparsh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is true. So H is equal to C sin A, H is equal to A sin C. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we can say C sin A is equal to A sin C. So that means shift this A to here, we will get sin A by A is equal to sin C, sin capital C, okay, by C. This clear? Question number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Push. Okay. Now similarly, we can prove. Similarly, we can prove sin A by A is equal to sin B by B. Okay. Hence, ये हम कैसे कर सकते हैं जब हम A से यहाँ एक perpendicular draw कर देंगे. This one. So same concept हम use करेंगे. Then we can find this one. Hence, we can say sin A by A is equal to sin B by B is equal to sin C by C. Okay. Please note down this and confirm me, then we will start the next one. Please let me know if you have any doubt in this.
सर ये क्या प्रूव करने को आता है एग्जाम में?
नो मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकते, ठीक है, क्योंकि बुक में है तो हमें करना होगा फिर।
ओके सर, डन।
ओके गुड। Push this completed.
सर 1 मिनट।
Okay. Sorry, हो गया complete?
सर बस लास्ट लाइन लिखनी है।
Okay.
यस सर, डन।
Okay, very good. Then we will do the sine formula. Okay. The second one. Second is cosine formula. So that is cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Okay. Next is cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. This cos C is equal to B square plus A square minus C square by 2AB. Okay. We will prove this formula, then I will explain you how to learn this one. We will draw a triangle. On this we will draw a perpendicular. Let this be A, let this be B, and let this be C. Let this be C. This is perpendicular. Okay. Now our side opposite to angle A is small a, opposite to angle C is small c, opposite to angle B is small b. Okay, now this in triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, you can say BC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. Okay, BC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. Now BC square is equal to BD is okay. BD square plus, now this CD, in place of this CD, can we write this one, complete AC minus AD? AC minus AD. Question, Uma, any doubt in this?
No sir.
नो सर।
Okay, next is BC square is equal to, this is BD square, and open this formula. This will give you AC square plus AD square minus 2AC into AD. Okay, now BD square, BD plus AD, this one and this one, and write like this: BC square is equal to, this is BD square. Okay, this is what? This is BD square plus this is what? AD square. Okay, and this is what? AC square minus 2AC AD. We have just shifted the terms. Now this will become BC square is equal to BD plus AD. BD square plus AD square is AB square. So this will give you AB square plus this is what? AC square minus AC we required. We don't need AD. Okay, so if we will take this one, let this be AD. If we will find cos A, then this will give us base by hypotenuse. What is AB? So we can say in place of this 2 AC, in place of AD, we can write AB into cos A. Now put the value. What is BC? A square. What is AB? C square. What is AC? AC is what? B square minus what is AC? This is B. What is AB? This is C and this is cos A. So shift all the terms. Shift this one. Take this to this side. Shift this one. So this becomes cos A is equal to C square plus B square minus A square by 2BC. Okay. Similarly, we can prove further formulas. Similarly, we can prove other formulas. Other formulas. Okay. Push and Numa. This is clear.
सर आपने यहाँ पे CD इज इक्वल टू B लिया है या फिर सर B पूरा AC है?
B completed. B is this complete. Okay. B is small b is what? The side opposite to angle B.
ओके सर.
Okay. अब इसको learn कैसे करना है? If this is A, then write B square plus C square. Okay. Then write minus A square by twice of these into 2. If this is B, write the other sides. A square plus C square, then write minus B square by 2 into these multiplication. Plus C, B square plus A square minus C square by 2AB. Okay, Noma and Spush. This clear?
सर आप फिफ्थ स्टेप से फिर से बता सकते हैं?
1, 2, 3, 4. From here?
यस सर, इसके बाद से.
Okay, very good. Noma, please check here. This is BC square is equal to AB square plus AC minus 2AC AB cos A. हम एक्चुअल में कर क्या रहे हैं? हमें ये साइड्स चाहिए C, A and B. Other than this हमें कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है? So AB हमारा साइड था, AC भी था, AC भी था. Then यहाँ से देखते हैं. So ये हमारा साइड है, ये भी है. AD हमारा साइड नहीं है. हमने क्या किया? We need to remove this AD. AD कैसे remove होगा? We need to use cos A is equal to AD by AB. हमने cos क्यों यूज किया? हमको AD नहीं चाहिए, हमें कोई भी साइड चाहिए, साइड ऑफ ट्रायंगल. हम यूज कर सकते हैं cos A is equal to AD by AB. That means AD is equal to multiplication of these two. So in place of this AD, हमने ये लिख दिया AB into cos A.
ओके सर.
Okay, फिर हमने कुछ नहीं किया, बस वैल्यूज पुट कर दी.
ओके सर.
Push this clear.
यस सर, अब हो गया.
Okay, Push, very good. Question number, please note down this. We will try some questions. Please confirm me once this is done. Noma, this term.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sparsh, this term.
So 1 second.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, very good. And please try this question. If in any triangle, ABC, if A is equal to 18, A is equal to 18, B is equal to 24, C is equal to 30, find first is cos A, cos B, and cos C. Okay, please find it. And after completing this, you need to find sine A, sine B, and sine C. First complete the first one, tell me the answer, then start the second one. Okay, straightforward है, simple formula आपको build करना है. This question, Noma, please let me know if you have any doubt in this. Question, Noma, will be find V again? Cos A, cos B, cos C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please share your answer.
So cos A are 0.8.
0.8. Very good. You can tell me in this fraction also, okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Cos A is correct. Push. Find हो गया?
सर 4/5.
Very good. नोमा आपकी क्लास है अभी?
यस सर, बट मैं करूंगी नहीं वो।
करेंगे।
सब वाले बैच पीछे चलता है, तो फिर सर करने कोई फायदा नहीं।
ओके ओके ओके।
So first one done.
First is done. Okay, so what is cos B?
So 0.6.
Very good. What is cos C?
So 0.
Very good. That's correct.
The
Okay.
cos B 3/5,
Okay. And what is cos C?
0.
Very good. So to find the sine A, you have two methods. Either you can use this sine is equal to 1 minus cos square A. है ना, ये फॉर्मूला पता है सबको? स्पर्श नोमा ये फॉर्मूला तो नहीं है कोई?
सर आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं?
ये फॉर्मूला पता है सबको? साइन इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए।
सर नहीं पता.
नहीं पता? ओके, साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर ए स्पर्श कितना होता है?
1.
1. So we can say
Okay,
sin
सर
square.
समझ गया.
So sin is sin B sin C. We have two methods. So you can use this one. Cos square. And you have sin C the root of 1 minus cos square C. ठीक है स्पर्श नोमा?
Yes sir.
Okay, then please use this formula and tell me the answer. Good. Okay, complete.
Sir, sine A is 3/5.
Very good. What is sin B?
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay. It's completed.
1 minute.
No.
सर इसमें साइन अपॉन ए यूज करना है ना?
Sine by इससे सॉल्व नहीं होगा नॉर्मल. Okay. So first आपने फाइंड कर लिया cos A, cos B, cos C, and you need to use this formula.
ओके सर.
Please let me know once you complete it.
Sir, done.
And okay, that's what for the second answer.
So 0.8.
4/5. Very good. What is next?
The second is 0.8.
0.8 means 4/5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is next?
So 1.
Very good. Well, you're getting the same answer.
सर थर्ड वाला नहीं किया.
Okay. यहाँ 0 put करने बस. First is
यस
0.
सर.
Okay. The answer is 1. Okay. Very good. So we have completed the trigonometry. Okay. Homework is exercise 3.5. It is at the back side of your NCERT. So this is at page 472. So this is your homework. This exercise is based on these formulas. You need to complete it. Tomorrow we will discuss it out. Now your chapter is complete. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next chapter we will start probability. Okay.
ओके सर.
Okay. So tomorrow we have a class at 9 AM. Please do the homework. फिर हम ये doubts discuss करते हैं. ठीक.
सर मैं
Okay,
नेक्स्ट
sir.
संडे को क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर पाऊंगा.
Next Sunday. Okay. Exam is first.
सर नेक्स्ट संडे को मुझे बाहर जाना है, मतलब शादी है कहीं पे.
Okay. Next Sunday. Saturday करेंगे join.
यस सर, सैटरडे करूंगा.
Saturday करेंगे. Okay. देखते हैं स्पेश उसके अकॉर्डिंग वरना 3D फिर स्टार्ट करना होगा हमें. 3. Okay. Thank you.
थैंक यू
ओके
सर.
सर, बाय.
Okay.
बाय सर.
Bye.